Hidi ya icera ria aguri a kahua kuma na nja wa bururi kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga niguo gucemania na murimi na gucerera ithĩi cia kahua kaunti-ini ino muoroto ari kugacĩrithia thũgũrĩ ino. Kũringana na mũrũgamĩrĩri wa rũhonge rwa ũramati wa kahua New KPCU Timothy Mirugi, aguri aya macerete gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ nĩguo kuona ũrĩa kahua karatungatwo nĩ arĩmi, magacera ithĩi-inĩ na magacama kahua, magacagũra karĩa kega na makaheana thogora.
We cannot ask for a better interaction between the producers and the consumers of coffee other than this. And we are happy that they have heeded to this exhibition, and we are from here at New KPCU, where we pride ourselves in being a farmer-centric institution.
Mirugi augite ino ni ndeto ikugacĩrithia urimi wa kahua, kuona murimi ni agite na uge kahua-ini gake akiaraniria na muguri imwe kwa imwe na kweheria broker aria marariho.
We are linking the farmer to the consumer, and this is part of the coffee reforms that we envisioned and are spearheaded by His Excellency the Deputy President, where the farmer is now being empowered.
We went through the farms and a number of factories. Yesterday we also did the same, and also on Monday. So a 3-day event has really created an impact on how does Kenyan coffee qualify to be called premium coffee.
Kanyibote ni muikarigite wa githii gia thũgũri na thothaiti ya rumukia akiuga riu kahua ni gegukorwo na umithio.
It's something that is going to make the prices of coffee appreciate, and the buyers are appreciating as we go around with them. They are very surprised that our coffee is so good, and yet the farmer, because they have met the farmers in the farm, do not reflect the kind of prices they pay for our coffee.
So we've been visiting a few processing stations and have now come here to New KPCU to just see what the government is implementing in terms of reforms and to get a feel for what this new stage in Kenyan coffee buying and trading is going to bring.
Peter Dua ni muikari wa bũrũri wa Amerika no umite gũkũ Kenya akiuga kahua ga Kenya gakoretwo gagĩka wega na nja wa bũrũri, gũkũ nao agũri aya makiuga ni meraheire gucemania na mũrĩmi.
That farmers need to be fully compensated as much as the people drinking our coffee are appreciating everything.
There's a lot of hope, and that there should hopefully be changes coming soon, and I really look forward to continuing to buy coffee direct from our farmers here in Kenya.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga, njĩtagwo Wainaina wa Kĩarie.